The sandwich shop has three types of sandwiches: ham, turkey, and chicken. Each sandwich can be ordered with white bread or multi-grain bread. Customers can add any combination of seven available toppings. Now, on the directions, I did change it just because this that little extra piece made it harder. So we're gonna say customers can add one of the seven toppings. Because if they only add one topping, it makes it a little bit easier to calculate. Okay. The other part I haven't taught you just yet. So we're going to go ahead and start building this sandwich. The first thing we're going to go ahead and start worrying about is the type of sandwich. Once I figure out what type of sandwich, the next thing I'm going to worry about is what kind of bread. And then the last thing I'm going to worry about is the topping. And again, they're only going to be able to pick one topping that I have there. Okay. So the type of sandwich, the first thing I'm going to figure out is how many types of sandwiches are there. Well, there's three different types of sandwiches. And then as far as the options for the bread, there's two options for the bread. And as far as the toppings, they have seven different toppings available, but they only get to pick one. Okay. So I got three options for the sandwich, two options for the bread, and seven options for the topping. If I were to actually start drawing this kind of like a tree, then it would start looking like this. The first one being for the type of sandwich, then the one being the bread. And then from there, I'm going to be doing something like this with seven different available toppings. So obviously this is probably not the route you want to go. If you just want to see how many different options are there, we're just going to go ahead and multiply the number of choices we have. So that would be 3 times 2, which is 6, and 6 times 7, which is 42 different combinations. This is pretty much the route that you want to take whenever you're trying to figure out how many combinations there are.